Welcome to my channel again. Rumble Boy, just a girl channel. Today, guys, we have to cancel our live. Ngayon po, kakancel ko ng live kung natin ngayon kwan ang ating pag medyo medyo bukas itatry ko mag live ulit bukas sa ating YouTube channel. So guys, ito this will be going on the music skill channel, life as a music teacher. So guys, today I'll be postponing the thing again today. We'll be postponing it again. I'll be postponing the real live videos. So I'm gonna give you 3 weeks to create videos. I'm gonna give you 3 weeks more to just create videos. So like people have been asking me for like a review all about Neri. Neri is part of Neri is part of my Neri is now part of CE. Neri is now part of our team now, actually. Like she's now singer now with C. She's now a singer with my channel. She'll be singing she will be singing Glory to Glory, which I will be asking her to sing it in Tagalog. Guys, so pakakantayin natin si Neri ng Glory to Glory. Gaya ni Madeline, pakakantayin ko rin siya. Like, kasi weekly winners sila dati. Ngayon si Neri, bago pa siya sa weekly winners na ito. So Neri, kung ako gusto gawin, gawin mo. Kung hindi mo gusto gawin, okay lang yan.